What is the question? Question is, find the sum of integers between. First important thing which you will mark in your textbook, it is your between, right? Between 100 to 200 which are divisible by 9 and which are not divisible by 9. Now grade 10th. First thing, numbers are between 100 to 200 means from where to where you will check? 101 to 999 we will check. Yes or no? If it is the between, then these two numbers we don't consider. If it is from, then we will check from 100 to 200. Clear? So, it is divisible by 9. Can you see? What is the method? First you will divide 101 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 11. Then again 9 ones are 9, remainder is 2. Means it is not exactly divisible by 9. So which number will be divisible by 9? Do you remember the method? It is not going on in level table. Increase it by 1. It will become 12. You are doing the division by 9. 12 into 9, 108. So what is the first number of the AP? 108. Do you remember? Same method we did in the NCERT. Then what will be the second number? Add 9. It will become 117. To find the last number, what is the last number? 199. Do the division with 9. When you will do the division with 9, it is giving the remainder 1. So how to calculate the last number? From 199 you will subtract 1 because it is giving remainder 1, right? So 199 minus 1, you will get 198. So this is the last number 198, right? Now you say find the sum. So what is the formula of the sum? You know formula of the sum is n by 2. I can use the formula of a plus l because I have a and I have l. But I don't have n. I want number of terms. How will you calculate number of terms? An is a plus n minus 1d. What is the value of an? 198. What is the value of a? 108. N minus 1. And what is the value of d? Value of d is 9. Yes or no? When you will calculate this, you know how to calculate this. You will get the value of n is 11. Replace the value of n, replace the value of a, replace the value of d. You can do the calculations and you will get the answer. Right? This calculation can be done. Now, second thing he is saying, this question is important. Not divisible by 9. What is the meaning of not divisible by 9 means? From 100 to 200, the numbers which are not divisible by 9, what you will do? Find the sum of all the integers from 101 to 199 and from there, if I will subtract these numbers, so remaining will be not divisible by 9 or not, right? Look at here, what does it mean? You have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Which are divisible by 2? 2, 4, 6 are divisible by 2. I want now sum which is not divisible by 2. Means I want the sum of these three numbers. What I will do? Find the sum of all the numbers. From there, if I will subtract these three numbers, so I will get the sum of the numbers which are not divisible by 2, right? So what we will do? First find the sum of all the numbers from 101 to 199. Now, what is the important thing over here? How will you calculate the number of terms? If you want, you can use the formula of an. An is how much? 199. What is the value of a? 101. What will be the value of d? 1. That is one method which you know. Okay. What is another method? If you want to find number of terms, can you see they are consecutive numbers? 101, 102, 103. So whenever we have consecutive numbers, so what is the formula? Subtract last term and the first term and then add 1. That gives number of terms from here to here for the consecutive numbers. Especially it is for the consecutive number. What is the method? This term minus this term means last term minus initial term and plus 1. That gives the number of terms. Now use the formula of sum. N by 2. And first term is 101. Last term is 199. You will do the calculations. You will get this value. So not divisible by 9 means 14,850 minus, when I will subtract the numbers, divisible by 9. So this is the sum which is not divisible by 9. Clear? Right? So means what is the approach? He is asking not divisible. So first we will calculate the sum of the numbers which are divisible by 9. Then I will calculate sum of all the numbers. If from sum of all the numbers I will subtract divisible by 9, I will get the sum which is not divisible by 9. Say yes or no, right? So this is the approach to do this question.